It is very important that we should discuss some of the realistic problems we are facing as a society. I see a lot of my friends, colleagues, younger generation, and a lot of people doing jobs, not doing jobs. They find it very difficult how to make money, how to develop a skill, how to work on a skill that they already possess. And I keep hearing things. Money is difficult, becoming successful is difficult, and become an entrepreneur is difficult, become a hustler is difficult. What you say, it sounds good, but practically it's not possible. And I actually laugh because I have been doing the same thing for the last couple of years by just pure hustle and learning from the streets, learning from the internet, not by going to the college. I just developed those skill set by learning on my own. Something that you call developing a skill or working on a skill that you already have. You just do not know it yet. Which is why we come back on the Samuel Ernie Show with a brand new workshop that is called the Leader Society. My name is Samuel Ernie. I'm the host, and today we'll talk about a workshop that I have developed to address all those issues, to address a slave mindset, to address where you're lacking as an individual and how you can better your life. So the workshop has total 10 lessons. Each lesson will help you to learn and to understand, or rather to get a clarity of a skill set that you already have. You just do not know it yet. I have divided this workshop in two parts. Number one, we'll be talking about the 5 key points. What does it take to become a hustler, from a normal being to become something special? And these are like some of the very basic things. That's not rocket science. Anybody can do it, and you can do it. I have done it, you can do it. So we will be talking about the first 5 lessons, wherein we'll be talking about a hustler mindset. After that, in the second part of the workshop, we'll be talking about 5 steps, how you can start up a business, how you can start a business from absolutely nothing, how you can start a business from almost minimalistic investment, and how you can start a business from your sheer skill set that you already have. You might know it, you might not know it, but that skill can help you make money. Everything we're going to talk about on this workshop is going to help you how you can earn money by just following the simple steps.